Hello, this is GregBot, and I'm going to teach you about DKIM, DMARC, and SPF real quick, and integrating your own sending domain and email address into Getresponse. I'm going to show you something real quick, and then you'll see why. Okay, let's see what happens. Alright, so we can't even use a Gmail address to mail from Getresponse, obviously, because Gmail doesn't allow that. So you have to have your own domain name. Here I've used accounts at leadsmaster.net. It's just one that I've already authenticated, but I'm going to show you how to add your domain name, and then I'm going to also show you how to log into cPanel or check your email address and verify it, and then set up the DKIM keys that Getresponse gives you into your server. Alright, well, let's get it. Demos. We'll just go ahead and add this one. Okay, so now I got to verify my email, and I've already got it pulled up here, so we'll do that. We'll confirm it. All right, and so now we have it listed here inside of our Getresponse account. Okay, so the next, and it's confirmed because we just did that. So you'll see that I've already added SPF and DMARC to the server, so there's nothing really to do there. If you don't have SPF and DMARC on your server, if you don't have those records in the DNS, then you need to add them. But that'll be something different. Most of the time they're going to be there by default. So, alright, so now we still have this DMARC warning, which is basically the DKIM error. So we're going to click on those three little bars right there for our domain, mastermind.com, and you'll see right off the bat we're good with the SPF and we're good with the DMARC, but we still have this DKIM to set up. So we're going to go to cPanel and type in the search, and most hosting packages have cPanel, so if you don't, then I can hook you up with one. Anyways, alright, so for my domain here, we're going to go ahead and go to zone records for MailerMastermind.com, and then I'm going to add a record, add a text record, and then I'm going to take these values here and copy that, and I'll paste it there. Alright, then I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to copy the DKIM key, and I'm going to paste it there. I'm going to click Save Record. And then I'll go ahead and close this. And it usually happens pretty quick. So let's see what goes on. Well, it'll take a couple minutes, but so I'll be back, and I'll pause and come back when it's after it authenticates. And we're back. So overall it took about 30 minutes to go ahead and authenticate with the server. So if it doesn't do it immediately, just give it some time and it'll work. There we have it. DKIM authenticated, SPF, and DMARC. And so now we're good to go. Pretty much most likely we'll get inboxed. Whereas if we were to use our default Getresponse account and it's a Gmail or Yahoo or whatever, you're not going to be getting inboxed. And so a lot of times, well, a lot of Mailer Mastermind customers are still trying to use Gmail accounts and stuff to mail with, and then we're wondering why we're getting bounced, 100% bounces with their Getresponse accounts. Well, it's because you got to have a domain name to mail from, that you can set up these text records on the server to authenticate and allow Getresponse to send mail on behalf of your domain. And all that has to match up with the DMARC and the SPF. So, alright, that's it. Bye.